make dope shit, bro. I wanna make some dope shit. You know what I mean? Not a body one, Mr. Medium IDDDD. Wagwan people. Something funny just, well, it just happened, but now the vlog one, I'm gonna say that, gonna be vlog 153, which is uploading right now, you know what I mean? Vlog 153 uploading right now. This is gonna be vlog 155, right? And the vlog 153, I was saying that, yo, we don't want to link with like a producer we have made pun him body, somebody we can create melodies out of just me like saying, you know what I mean? Anyways, just randomly me decide to go check, you know, the messages. But then call it like the message them wanna come through the regular sitting. So you have to go in the back part of your messages by Instagram for see your message request basically. So I just randomly decide to go through that. I'm see that message here. First of all, big up that you take, because this is funny, bro. Remember I say it tonight. I want to sign this. So if you take it serious. Because even up to today, I was thinking to put out a like an IG post and say, oh, just tell people to send me beats. I said, no, man, no, do that, because, you know, one, me not have my car if I move out, I want to move. So even if I go out and studio, brother, it's not gonna be free for me move around when I want to move, you know? But bro, it's weird. I mean, I think to myself, say, yo, sometimes we ask for signs and we get them and then we try to make them make sense, or I say, no man, I'm not really that. But in a circumstances where God work, brother, like as a normal regular human being, you know, I gotta understand when God work. It's supposed to look supernatural. It's supposed to supposedly your brain and you just can't understand it, but it happen. I guess that's the whole idea behind like a miracle. And when God do film thing. I work with it and see what I got. It's crazy, yo. And you know what made this thing even more weird? You would have think like, oh, maybe the boss would have seen the vlog. And at that, you know, why he linked me, but obviously you see from where you say him say, yo, him did I watch the videos them where they put my profile. And you know, and the vlog not even upload yet for me say at the vlog. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy, bro. That is crazy, bro. What up, vlog? What it do, man? The clip you just saw is from yesterday. I just figured that I needed to say that to you. Me not like I love do the vlogging thing. Even though me not do much, like I love do the vlogging thing. I like just talk to you know and share little experiences what me have. Me gonna get inside of my head a little bit. Get to know Kevin a little bit, you know? I already know Kevin too crazy, comedian, all of that, you know? But just get to know Kevin and see the antics when I go on with sometime. More while I'm quiet. But for the most part, you know, you have a little life here and there. I just be feeling the vibe and I wanna, you know, kick it with my people. I'm not overly excited or nothing like that. I'm just regular and, you know. I'm always laughing. I realize that when the vlog them said that even though I went not there if I laugh about that, like it just feel good for just let out a little laughter and feel happy and, you know, just start off in a light mood, regardless of the situation. You know what I've been thinking about? I want to write a short film, right? I want to write a short film. Oh, if you notice, man, I'm never wearing shirts, bro. And these are from me young. When I was younger, when I was much smaller, like maybe 6, 7, maybe from I could have walk. I used to wear like just Sosa shirt and brief. And then I don't know at which point in my life, maybe like 9, 10, maybe I guess so. 7, 8, 9, 10. I just wear like just pants alone. Anytime I do run the yard, I just pants alone. I don't like wear shirts. Yeah, but so I notice that. See, I them like a thing them I talk about when I get for like no Kevin. But I've been thinking I want to write a short film. But I've been having writer's block, man. And it's not severe writer's block. Or maybe it's not even writer's block at all. It's just not liking to write. Like write down things like that process. Getting on my laptop typing up things. That's gonna be the challenge for myself. Next week, I have to write a short film. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but that's if I accomplish that next week, that would be important. That's has been something that's been on my mind. I think I really want to transcend into just producing content and not necessarily be the one who's behind, well, in front of the camera. I want to create some. I want to make dope shit, bro. I want to make some dope shit. You know what I mean? I want to make some real solid content, man. Because I don't want the channel them like lose energy after the K2K extra and the original K2K channel. I don't want them lose energy. I want to still keep people entertained. But the thing is with people, they subscribe to content sometime because of you. But I don't want to be in front of the camera as much. I want to create things and put it out for you to enjoy it. I want to love it the same way as if I was in there when I'm not in there. That makes sense? I want to love it like say me in there, even when I'm not in there. I mean the link back to youth. Remember youth when I tell them say message me in the vlog, the video yesterday. I link it back, man, and the man say, yeah, you know? Because they say, oh, yeah, work. And I say, yeah, man, we can definitely work. Give me email and say, oh, send me some beats. And not send me no beats yet. So I think say, I'm anxious for like send me some beats, but I'm not send me no beats yet. You understand? But we are wait and see where I go. Come up with. So that. Looking at me eye. And no matter that. Bars. I don't know how I'm going, like the camera don't want to focus. Yo, I better focus on slapping you up. You know what I mean? Not uno me and oh, yes, the camera. Tricky you. Hey! I make another step again. I touch the road. I bring it with me. I can see surprise, man. This is day 3. Tell me how I just got 2 ATMs, see? Scotia, NCB, and none of them now no money. I know I have a ton about this, so we're like, no bus stop na there. A good thing, a little thing there, you know? JPS life post good for something. Puzzles me like why people take so long when they go in at the ATM. What are you doing in there? I go in at the ATM and I take about 30 seconds. Money may I drop. Boom, 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 and out. Some people go in there like they want beard and watch a couple of show and them thing and like what not do so long in an ATM? Sort out, don't sort out. I head back home now, you know. And I think I go walk home in another Sunday. In the last vlog, I tell you about, not the last vlog, but the one that say, oh, you see a new barber shop. So I give you a new barber shop at Texas, see me? I'm there outside there now, I wait. I mean, got the barber one I go before, but in the have a whole heap of people. And the G, so if you circle back. I was going to circle back, I did one guy the doctor, but then the doctor is not there. I feel like my ear infection will come back. Maybe I just, you know, the remnants I leave. But I go there and the doctor not there. So it's alright. Let me just come up and come check out the barber. Don't have the barber when I go first. I think 3 more people did before me. When I come and say, my youth did there, and if the youth gone, then I'm me next. So basically I just one person before me or me next. I mean I don't really do much, but just want to like freshen up the lineup and click on some here and that's it. I am freshened up, you know. Today is not one of those days where I want to walk. Focus, look at it. No, focus now. I probably tired to see up in my news, but when you hold the camera, you kind of you put a little weight by your hand, so that's why I get the angle here more than up here. So. I'm hungry. Now walking in the sun hot. So I wait for a taxi, see if I can reach my yard. And also find some food before I go in. I end up going to the doctor, as you can see from that clip before. Because I'm really not in a mood to deal with the ear infection thing anymore. So I get some prescription for the fill. Open $1 million I have to pay. But I try to avoid spending more than I need to spend in the life, brother. But I guess you'd rather be safe than sorry. Because I might just mess around and then, you know, things go worse. I may end up having to spend more money than I need to. Bro, I walk go to the pharmacy. Oh, I go on people. Yo, you ever so tired and hungry that you have to just put your body in a automatic mode? Channel, I'm gonna fat bump here. Get some food in my system. I'm hungry as frig. And then I breakfast this morning, I just go up on the road. That little walk there, take out all the energy out of me. I'm glad I get the medication still for the ear infection, so should be good. I don't have to worry about that. Get some nasal spray, something to take orally. Pause. Nobody cares, man. Orally, okay? Oral. Ain't nothing wrong with oral. And me get eardrop. Me the guy see him look a food spot, go get some food, you see me? So this is it. Me get rib again. Choke you know the blow. It kinda softish in a way, but as me say, if the rib not fried dry, is it a Jamaican restaurant? Always strive to be the best thing you can be in this life. But don't you ever strive to be a dumb, donkey, dunce, useless fly. Don't you dare. Let me hear you strive for be a fly. Hmm? Don't you dare. A fly get popped. My virgin have a baby shower later when I have a host. So I might just vlog a little pinch of that when I can see what I go on. And I have no doubt that some of these currently doing the thing for my virgin. The baby shower hosting. So this is the clip that I promised. You know? At least you're in Canada. Alright, I'm going back to do my duties. Thank you, Michelle. We know you're probably still on the road. Mommy, can you go ahead and pray? And then, thank you to the host. I mean, I feel like saying all the manners in the bread. Yo, me thumping in your face. Kevin, we only wish you did do this at the wedding. Yo, we know I said that coming up. I knew it. you see, that's why I'm come with my tie and everything. Kevin, in developing a career, you get better over the years. Right, you know, you have to get it wrong first. That's what you're doing. Right? Have a drink and everything. We're almost done though. And I think this might be the end of the vlog. So we see you now in the next vlog. Yeah? Next. I'm not. I mean, for everybody who's not here, you know. Oh, and the same year.